Okay, you guys, I got my 1998 Cadillac d'Elegance, and I'm working on my heated seats. And like a dummy, I started pulling the seat apart to check the element on it, and like an idiot, I should have checked, the fuse first. So it took a while for me to find the fuse. So I wanted to show you where the fuse is at. It's not in the engine compartment. It's over here. It's in the back, in the trunk, on the driver's side, right in this area. So what you're going to do is you got these little round nuts here you're going to take off, and what's going to happen is that this panel, protective panel here, is going to drop down, and you'll be able to access that. You'll see the fuse box there on that side. And what I'm going to do is at the end of the video, I'll show you where that fuse is at. So good luck.